At number 1, we have the Unicorn Adjustable Satin Bonnet for kids. Introducing the Unicorn Satin Bonnet, designed to keep your child's hair protected while adding a fun and adorable style. Made with soft silk, it ensures a comfortable sleep while maintaining healthy, moisturized hair. The adjustable fit makes it suitable for babies, toddlers, and teens. The reversible design offers double protection and versatility, making it perfect for everyday use. What we like: the cute unicorn design makes bedtime enjoyable, while the soft silk material protects delicate hair. People say, reduces tangles, keeps hair healthy, and offers adjustable comfort. Some note the clip could feel firm, but overall highly recommended. At number 2, we have the Kids Double-Layer Satin Bonnet. Protect your child's hair with this double-layer satin bonnet, designed for maximum comfort and hair protection. It's even reversible. The silky satin material reduces frizz and helps retain natural moisture and shine. The wide elastic band and adjustable support ensure a secure fit without any discomfort. We love the gentle fit with minimal pressure on the hairline and its excellent frizz control. Parents say it's soft, comfortable, and stays in place all night with those cute designs kids love. At number 3, we have the Kids Adjustable Satin Bonnets. Introducing a set of 5 adjustable satin bonnets designed to keep your child's hair protected and moisturized all night long. Crafted from smooth satin, these bonnets prevent frizz and breakage, ensuring tangle-free hair every morning. The adjustable design provides a comfortable fit for toddlers, children, and teens. These caps come in vibrant, reversible colors, adding a fun touch to bedtime. What we like: a 5-piece set offers great value, multiple styles, and a fit that grows with your child. People say, easy-to-use button closure, adjustable sizing, and excellent quality satin inside and out. At number 4, we have the 2PC's large long satin silk bonnets for braids. Tired of your braids getting frizzy while you sleep? These bonnets are designed to keep them neat and protected all night long. Experience the smooth, gentle feel of satin silk. It helps reduce friction and breakage, keeping your hair healthy. These bonnets are extra long, perfect for accommodating all your braid styles. The stretchy tie band ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. It stays in place all night without slipping. Stylish black and purple patterns add a touch of flair. What we like: designed for long braids, offering ample space and a secure fit. People say, keeps hair moisturized, prevents breakage, and stays on all night comfortably with a reversible design. At number 5, we have the Kids Adjustable Satin Bonnet. Keep your child's natural hair protected all night long. This bonnet is designed to prevent frizz and breakage while they sleep. The adjustable strap ensures a snug and comfortable fit for any head size. It stays on throughout the night without slipping. Featuring a reversible double-layer design, it offers versatility and extra protection. Choose the perfect size for your little one. Made with soft satin, it reduces friction and keeps hair moisturized. Say goodbye to morning tangles and hello to smooth, healthy hair. Ideal for babies, toddlers, and teens, this bonnet is a must-have. It has no tears or blemishes after months of use and helps keep wavy curls fresh, staying in place all night.